All right, today we're going to talk about some more of our polynomial multiplication, specifically with special products. So let's take a look. It says find the products. Whenever I see a binomial, a plus b, in parentheses, squared, that means rewrite it. So you need to rewrite it as a plus b. Remember, the exponent tells you how many times to write the base, so go ahead and write the base again. When we multiply a times a is a squared. Remember, we're doing double distribution here. A times b is just ab. B times a is also ab. And b times b is b squared. This can be simplified to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And you'll see what we're doing here with all of this double distribution is we are squaring the first term, squaring the last term, multiplying a times b twice. When I have subtraction, it's the same deal. I'm going to go ahead and rewrite it as a minus b times a minus b, and go ahead and do my double distribution. A times a is a squared. A times a negative b is negative ab. Negative b times a is a negative ab. And negative b times negative b is a positive b squared. Again, combine your middle two terms and you'll end up with a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. When I have a binomial times a binomial, they look to be the same thing, except one has addition inside, one has subtraction. This pattern looks a little bit different, but again, we go ahead and do our double distribution. A times a is a squared. A times a negative b is a negative ab. B times a is a positive ab. And b times negative b is going to be a negative b to the second power. You'll notice that our middle two terms drop out and we're left with just a squared minus b squared. And you'll see the patterns on your notes. If we square a binomial, a plus b to the second power, or a minus b to the second power, this is our pattern. If we're doing the sum and difference pattern, one of our binomials has a plus sign, one has a minus sign. What happens is we're really just squaring the first term and the last term. Oops. All right, so why don't you go ahead and give these a try. Square of the binomial or take the sum or difference. So this is just practicing that double distribution. I'm going to put up the answers so you can see them, but you should try them on yourself and then check. Make sure you can always simplify the middle two terms.